Alright guys, how's it going? We got some more low stakes action for you. I haven't been too active actually. Been folding most of the hands. We're actually playing a free roll here. We're trying to get into a satellite for the Aussie Millions once again. And once again we are using our indoor voices because the rest of the house is asleep. And the sun will be rising soon, so we want to let everybody sleep. Hopefully today we can explore some strategy relating to drawing hands. Something I haven't talked to you guys about yet. Mainly we've been playing straightforward hands, and hopefully today I can show you guys some of the more tricky hands and how to play them. One thing to keep in mind is this is a free roll, so most of the players here are worse than in real money tournaments. Okay, we have King 9 here. We're just gonna let it go. We have position on a limper, and that's not necessarily the best spot to be in. So this is exactly the reason why we fold. And if you hear me eating food, don't mind me, it's just a burrito. Okay. Now here we pick up a hand that's definitely tricky. What we're going to do is we're going to try to at least double up, hopefully triple or quad up. And this is a drawing hand. We have two different flush possibilities, which if you think about it is better than if it was suited, because then you only have one flush possibility. Here we have the spades as well as the hearts. And yeah, it looks like you know, things went the wrong way there. I'm gonna probably register in another tournament because this one was a bit short, and hopefully you guys can get some more action, so just bear with me here. Alright guys, welcome back. Some more free roll action. This one's actually a satellite to Poker After Dark. Well, it's a satellite to a satellite to a satellite, whatever. Some of you guys might be asking why we're playing free rolls, and it's actually not because I realize you guys are poor players. I'll be honest here, and I just ran into some bankroll difficulties. I had some bad luck at NL 5K. I lost about 2 binds in one night, and so I basically decided to move up to I think it was 100, 200. And lo and behold, Sbrugby was just sitting at an empty table heads up, so I figured I'd challenge him, and lost 1 buy-in. That got me a bit tilty, and I pretty much just put it all on the line. I rebought for my remaining account balance, and he I guess got a bit lucky. That's a good way to put it. So we're grinding here. I'm not broke by any chance. We're just waiting for some stakers. So yeah, we just busted out of that other tournament. We were playing aggressive pre-flop. The key is to be trying to double and triple up. But here we're gonna slow down a bit. Hopefully we can get to the final table, get some good action. Alright, I'm actually going to step away after this hand because my shorts that I'm wearing are extremely damp. In fact, damp would be an understatement. We'll just let this go. Basically, I've been sitting here and playing for about 6 hours straight, and my ass is sweating golf balls. It's pretty much penetrated through my boxers, through my shorts onto my office chair. Furthermore, the fact that I'm eating a burrito that's very spicy with beans in it is definitely not helping. So I'm just going to actually leave the action here going so you guys can see how the table's playing. And I'll probably be back in about 18 or 25 seconds. Okay, I'm actually just in the process of changing here, but I couldn't help see that the action was to us, and I didn't want to slow the table up. Alright, we're back here. Clean and fresh. We have ace-king in early position. Mainly in poker, you want to be varying your play. If one hand my opponents expect from me from early position, it's ace-king, so I like to throw my opponents off by doing the opposite of what they expect. But by all means, you guys can call with ace-king if you're feeling lucky. But if you rely on luck, then you're probably a losing player, which is fine. If you play for entertainment value, that's alright. Now, next hand will definitely be calling under the gun, as I pointed out last video, is we buy position this way. Now we get to see what everybody does, including the blinds. So we're essentially posting two big blinds every orbit. And here a player moves in. And another one calls. Now, I'm guessing this guy has jacks and this guy has aces, because they're both going all in, and that shows strength. So this is basically means I have absolutely no outs. And they both made some questionable plays here. It's interesting. Seems a lot of people are going all in pre-flop, which is what we did last 2 tournaments. This is our 3rd tournament of the video. And this tournament we're playing more of a survival game. We've made it through about 5 hands and we're still in the tournament. And frankly, I believe this is the hand that we triple up here. We have a dominant draw here. The 3-2-5 gives us a straight, and 3 clubs give us a flush, so this is a pretty straightforward call. I'm guessing this guy has pocket 3s and this guy has ace-jack. Okay, very close. Yikes. Okay, you know, not the best session of the night. A bit of a short video, but we're actually going to leave it at that. Basically, I got some work to do, and that's to get my bankroll boosted, and meaning I'll be playing about 12 tables of various play chip tables, and just trying to network with people and get a staker. Sure which would do for a boring video, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I will not disappoint. Next video, I assure you, will be playing for real money, and we're gonna be winning the coin flip situations, and just really showing you guys what strategies I use to get to the top. Stay tuned for that. It'll be out probably in a few days. But for now, I'm signing off, and until next time, play smart and go for the draws.